This guy was walking with his friends when suddenly a bolt of lightning struck him, sending him flying into the air. The lightning caused his eyes to glow and made his hair turn curly. His friends were shocked and so was he, but feeling unwell he went home. Later, he noticed strange marks on his hand. He tried to wash them off, but they wouldn't go away. The soap crumbled when he used it, and the toothbrush broke when he tried to scrub the marks. That night, he dreamed of a mysterious woman. In his dream, he found himself alone on a deserted beach, and just as the woman touched him from behind, he woke up. The following morning, his classmate began bullying him when a woman saved him and introduced him to people like him. They told him what was happening to him and gave him an offer to accept.